Need different shipping methods for different products for your WooCommerce store? In this video, we show how to group WooCommerce products by category and calculate shipping costs separately using a free plugin. You run a WooCommerce store selling many different types of products, and each product category may require its own shipping method. We want to group the products by category in the cart, so shipping rates can be calculated separately for each group. First, download the free WooCommerce plugin Shipping Packages for WooCommerce from the One Team software website. Next, activate the plugin and go to its settings page to enable it. Scroll down the page and find the group by section, then select Categories. In the Shipping Method Per section, select Package, so each product category will be placed in its own shipping package. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to save the settings. Now let's go to the store page and test if the new setup groups products by category properly. Now we add 2 products from 2 different product categories to the cart. Now, let's check the final shipping cost and confirm the products are grouped into 2 packages by category. As you can see, the shoes are in one package and the chair is in another. The live shipping rates are calculated separately for each package. Perfect! With the free plugin Shipping Packages for WooCommerce, you can also group products by shipping class or vendor to calculate shipping costs separately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.